to-life photography. So my wife went to this police auction today and bought me this case, and there's a camera in it. So let's see what we got. It's auction number 232. It says send to city sale 2009. So this was supposed to be sold in 2009 and nobody bought it. And now it's 2013. So looks like we got a ProMaster flash. It's a little corroded, so I'm gonna have to clean it up. Let's see. There's that. We have Pentax. I don't know what that is in there. Maybe a warranty. So we got a cool flash bracket, probably for the ProMaster. We got a pencil. And we got this Polaroid camera. Looks like there's battery juice in here, so we'll wait until it charges up, give me a green signal, and try to fire off the flash and see if there's anything in it. No, looks like it's dead. But yeah, it's a 600 camera and an empty film case. But $2, so pretty cool. I can't wait to put some film through this and test it out.